What I'd like to share with you is a very short example of how easily your brain can learn when we use movement to communicate with your brain. And you'll find that the combination of movement and simple attention, sensing yourself, will result in almost immediate improvement. Please come sit on the forward edge of your chair, as far forward as you can. And now slowly just turn to your left and see, how far do you see? If you turn easily to the left, now do it again and draw an imaginary line that goes from your nose to the wall. And you say, okay, that's as far as I see before we start. And please come back and bring your right arm in front of yourself, bent at the elbow and your wrist relaxed. And now looking with your eyes at your thumb, go ahead and turn again very slowly, not straining, not stretching, not trying to see further, but just turn a little to the left, looking at your thumb with your eyes, just easily. Exhale as you do that. And then you come back to the middle, pause for a moment, and then you do it again. Slowly. You'll see the slower you do the movement, the faster will be the change, the improvement. Now, please put your right hand on your right thigh and your left hand on your left thigh, symmetrically. And now go ahead and turn again to your left as we did at the beginning, and notice if that line that you would draw from your nose is on the same point, or is it a little further? Come back again. And now very slowly, move your right knee a little bit forward. That's all. You just think of your right knee going a little forward, and then you let it return. No strain at all. And you just make that easy and simple. And you move your right knee forward. You can feel that it's not just your right knee moving forward, but you can feel in the contact of your right hip with your chair that your right hip is moving a little forward. Your brain is so clever, so smart, that you only need to do this movement a few times, and you'll see now if you bring your right arm in front of yourself, bent at the elbow, and you think of that idea of turning to your left and following your thumb with your eyes, that already you're seeing a little further than when we started. Your arm is bent at the elbow just easily. Now, come back and just pause for a moment. Maybe you weren't seeing further, and that's okay. Now, again, bring your right hand in front of yourself. And a few times, just slowly, you turn to the left with your right arm bent, your fingers hanging towards the floor because your wrist is relaxed. And now move your right knee forward at the same time as you turn. So you think of your right knee going forward as you turn, looking at your thumb. You can feel that your right shoulder is moving forward and your chest is turning. Just feel where you can do less work, where you can relax yourself. The Feldenkrais method is stressless learning. It's learning absent of stress. And you'll see that absent of stress, the change happens very quickly in such a basic, essential action as turning. And now put your right hand on your right thigh, just to rest for a moment, and go ahead and do the very first movement that we did. And turn yourself to the left and see how far do you see on the wall now. Are you seeing further than when we started? Maybe. And think of your knee going forward. And now, this time, lift your right arm, bent at the elbow, your wrist relaxed. And now, don't let your eyes move. Keep your eyes focused in front of yourself, but allow your head and your chest to turn. Everything turns except for your eyes. Your eyes remain looking forward as you exhale, as you feel where you can do less work, keeping your eyes in the middle, and yet your head is still turning to the left. Just what's easy. And now go ahead and let everything turn together. Think of your right knee going forward, your head and eyes and right arm. And where on the wall now would you draw that line from your nose? Very good. And please rest there in your chair. Maybe close your eyes for a moment if you're comfortable closing your eyes, and just observe. Does the right side of your neck feel different than the left side of your neck? Does your right shoulder feel somehow down, more relaxed than the left side? Interesting, isn't it? And if you have your eyes closed, is there a different sensation on the right side of your face compared to the left side of your face? Thank you very much. Cheers.